Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is day 3 of my ride in Austria and I am riding this beautiful machine that is Brixton Cromwell 1200. Today I am here in Salzburg. Luckily there is no rain. Yesterday was horrible, which you must have seen in my last video where it was raining, it was cold, but I went through some really outstanding locations, routes, and it was very pretty. Salzburg is known for many of its heritage sites, and in World War II this was one city which was not that much affected. That is the reason here many of the monuments are still preserved. Another thing is that it is also recognized by UNESCO because of all the heritage this city holds. I don't have much time to go and explore the entire city, but I would love to do that someday. Today I am going to just go around the city and then go ahead for my next destination. So now let's hop on this pretty bike and explore Salzburg. So now let's explore Salzburg city and let's see what all things we can cover today, because after that I need to go to a very special place. साल्ज़बर्ग में रहने के बाद में मुझे ये समझ में आया कि थोड़ा स्लो होना भी ज़रूरी है ताकि हम जी सके, कुछ महसूस कर सके। यहाँ आके लगता है कि दुनिया बहुत बड़ी है और ज़िंदगी उससे ज़्यादा बड़ी है। बस हमें उस कंफर्ट जोन से निकलना होता है। कभी कभी सब कुछ प्लान के मुताबिक नहीं होता, लेकिन जब तुम दिल से चाहो तो यूनिवर्स रास्ते बना ही देती है। इस इंटरनेशनल राइड का हर एक किलोमीटर मुझे सिर्फ नए लोगों से, नए शहरों से नहीं मिला रहा है, बल्कि मुझे नए नज़रिए दिखा रहा है, जीने का, सीखने का और आगे बढ़ने का। Here is a very famous Salzburg Zoo, and it is known for the way animals are taken care there. There you have white rhinos, then you have many animals who live in natural habitat. Speed limit is something which you need to take care, because we are not used to these kind of roads and we tend to open our bike the moment we get neat and clean road. I am struggling to be in my speed limit, but I'm trying to maintain it. In last video, I had crossed some outstanding routes with thousands of shades of yellow, red, green, maple trees around me, but unfortunately, it was raining so bad I couldn't shoot much. At signal, if anyone wants to go to left, there is a separate lane for people who can take a left turn. So traffic rules are so good. It's very cold. Temperature is almost 6 degrees right now. What car is this? This is Salzach River. In this area bikes are allowed, but so it is to be kept in nearby lanes. And here I am. Behind me is Salzburg Cathedral. It was constructed in 17th century. Then because in World War II Salzburg was one city which was not that much affected, so here many things are still good and they are restored nicely. There is also one place where there is a Golden Globe, that is again a tourist attraction, but I think I need to move ahead because temperature is dropping right now. It is almost 7 to 8 degrees and it's going to get colder, but I'm really happy that today there are no rains and I get to ride and shoot. Hallo?
Bevor Sie die Polizei anhält, das ist eine Einbahnstraße.
One way.
This way.
Okay.
Not that way.
Thank you. This is another side of Salzburg Cathedral. It's 12 o'clock and cathedral bells are ringing. And this is the Hohenheim Salzburg Fortress. From there you can go till up and you can get a very beautiful view of entire Salzburg. Let's quickly go and check the Golden Globe. So here is it. So that is Golden Globe, which is very famous and many people come here. You can also go to the fortress, so you will need at least 1 or 2 hours to explore this entire place. I took time because I had to secure my bike, park it first properly, and then move. Now there's just one place which I wish to go, that is Mozart's residence, and from there we will start our journey, which is going to be a little adventurous. I'm really excited for that, and I also need to gear up a little bit more because I might experience snowfall, which I'm telling in this video from start. Now let's go, and this bike is really good. I must tell you, 1200cc and the bike weight is so apt that this bike will give you all the confidence you need. Yesterday, which you saw in my last video, it was raining for the entire day. I was riding at a very decent speed in that rain, but this bike, not even once, made me feel that I should slow down or there is a risk. That is the best part about this bike. And now let's go. Let's not waste time because today, by God's grace, there's no rains, and I'm really grateful for that because I was like coming to Austria, going around so beautiful places, and then it's raining. So now let's go.
ये शहर सिर्फ टूरिस्ट ही नहीं है, ये इमोशन से भरा हुआ है. मोजार्ट, वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट कंपोजर ऑफ ऑल टाइम, यहीं से थे. जीनियस कहीं से भी हो सकते हैं, है ना? किसी भी गली से, किसी भी शहर से, किसी भी बैकग्राउंड से. बस सपने बड़े होने चाहिए और हौसला उससे ज़्यादा बड़ा होना चाहिए.
I am near Mozart's residence. This is not it, but problem is that there is no parking on the other side, and I can't leave my bike with all the luggage and go there walking. So it is basically right on the street, and I'll just put some pictures there of taking it from Google. If you all know that Mozart was one of the world's greatest music composer, he has created some really magical pieces. Even in Vienna there was a place where he grew up, but here he was born and his residence is there. Even there is a small museum with all the stories of his entire family, but I'm not going to go because next stop that I want to take is Großglockner. It is in the mountains, and I am sure that it is going to be very cold, as well as I might experience snow. Let's get up and move. I completed my lunch from here. Also, I packed my luggage and I'm wearing winter liner, rain liners. Those are long buses, just like trams. Here we enter highway, and now we can actually cruise at 100. Oh, 130. I am really excited today because Großglockner was on my list for a very long time. So now let me cruise. You enjoy this song.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Just look at this beautiful road. Look at the mountains and this entire route. You know, I'm riding in heaven. On my right hand side is Salzach River. Practically even yesterday it was just like this. Very pretty, but it was raining too much. Oh, it is raining again. Just look at this river, it's so huge. Wow, just look at the mountains. Mountains calling. Actually, now I know what it means. So there's Zell am See. First we are going to go to Großglockner, and then we are going to go to Zell am See.
राइड डोमेस्टिक हो या इंटरनेशनल, अगर तुम प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं हो तो ब्यूटी भी 20 बन जाती है. ये वेदर अनप्रेडिक्टेबल है, एक मोमेंट पे सनशाइन, अगले मोमेंट पे बारिश. तो ये रहा एक रियल ज्ञान फॉर ऑल माई राइडर बडीज़. नंबर 1, हमेशा लेयर अप. मैंने रेन लाइनर, थर्मल लाइनर दोनों पहने, और ग्लव्स वाटरप्रूफ होने चाहिए पर टैक्टिकल भी होने चाहिए. मेरे नहीं है वाटरप्रूफ, इसलिए थोड़ी दिक्कत है. वेट ग्रिप में सोचो क्लच फील ही ना हो तो गेम ख़त्म. नंबर 2, अगर रेन स्टार्ट हो जाए तो कभी पैनिक मत होना, थोड़ा स्पीड कम कर लो, पोस्चर रिलैक्स कर लो, बाइक को कंट्रोल रखना है, उसके साथ रेसल नहीं करना है, स्मूथ थ्रॉटल, लाइट ब्रेकिंग, स्पेशली ऑन कर्व्स। नंबर 3, टायर प्रेशर और ग्रिप का बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ता है, तो कभी अगर आपको लगे तो जस्ट टेक अ ब्रेक, एडजस्ट इट एंड देन गो अहेड। डिफरेंस फील होगा आपको, और ये बात चाहे आप हाईवे पे चला रहे हो या माउंटेन्स में, दोनों जगह पर एप्लीकेबल है। और सबसे बड़ा ज्ञान, ट्रस्ट योर इंस्टिंक्ट्स नॉट ईगो। अगर किसी स्पॉट पे लगा कि रुकना चाहिए तो रुक जाओ, नेचर की रिस्पेक्ट करो, आपकी राइड कभी भी फेल नहीं होगी, नेचर लव्स यू बैक फॉर श्योर। वैसे बहुत ज़्यादा ज्ञान हो गया, लेकिन मैं क्या करूँ, हर एक टर्न पर और हर एक किलोमीटर पे मैं कुछ ना कुछ सीख रही हूँ।
I took a break to fuel up. It is raining and it is snowing at Grossglockner. So everyone said not to go there, but what I am thinking is I'll go towards Grossglockner. I don't think I'll be able to make it towards the mountain because see, it's almost covered in clouds and snow. Right now what I have decided is I'll go there and in between I'll come back. And then because right now it is 4 p.m. Let's see क्या क्या होता है। जय श्री राम। There is Grossglockner. I can see snow is there already. I wish it was not raining. I really wish it was not raining. Wow! This view is outstanding. No, my camera just can't do justice. It is -7 degrees there, and here it must be around 4 degrees. So Salzburg is like base of Alpine mountains. So Grossglockner is also known as Alpine Road. So these all mountains are known as Alpine mountains, Alps. These all places I've just seen in pictures and I'm living this right now. It is, I just can't express. That is Grossglockner, my friends. So from here Alpine Road starts, and it also gets little slippery because of rain and snow. I'm going to ride at a very very slow speed. I have trust on brakes. Hi, is entry closed?
Yes, for motorcycles, it's the last few days it's closed.
Oh, okay. It's snowing there?
Yeah,
Oh,
this much.
oh my God. चलो अच्छा हो गया, एटलीस्ट मैं यहाँ तक तो आई, नहीं तो वहीं से वापस जाने का जो मतलब वो अंकल कह रहे थे मत जाओ, बंद तो है अनफॉर्चुनेटली, और कार्स विद चेन, only those people are allowed. I wish it was open, but never mind. Let's absorb this. Here I want to go, Knockholmstrasse. This is one route which I wish to do while going back to Krems, which you will see in upcoming video. Really want to come here once again. So there it is. Now it's totally covered. Such pretty mountains. I'm winding up. Met this beautiful couple, Cara Melito, and he's from Spain, she's from Germany, and they are riding through Germany, Spain, then Austria. Now they are going to go to Italy. So see you soon, maybe in India or on the road. So ride safe.
Have fun on the road. Take care.
Yes, you too. Bye. Klaus Glockner. I'll be back someday, very, very soon. Oh, it's freezing cold, but I'm sure you must be enjoying this video as I am enjoying this ride. My hands are getting numb, and I'm sure temperature must have dropped right now. It's about to be sunset in some time, but this place is heaven. Admist Mountain. What do you need? Having a bike, having a way to go to mountains, and most important, sharing this with someone. But remember, many times someone we find in someone else, but you know, someone is always you. Are you happy doing all these things? That's it. That is what matters.
I'm gonna make mistakes.